Global Economic Outlook 2026, Understanding Growth Trends, Inflation, and International Challenges Explained. The conventional understanding of the global economy in 2026 centers on efforts by nations and international institutions to sustain growth, manage inflation, and address shared challenges through coordinated policies and multilateral cooperation. Recent assessments from organizations such as the International Monetary Fund provide structured projections that serve as reference points for policymakers and analysts worldwide. From a historical and behavioral perspective, modern scholarly frameworks suggest that the global economic landscape continues to evolve amid multiple influencing factors. One interpretive lens proposes that global growth is projected to moderate in 2026, with estimates around 3.1%, reflecting adjustments to recent developments, including regional conflicts and shifts in energy markets. Some analysts observe that headline inflation may experience a modest uptick before resuming its downward trajectory in subsequent years, with pressures potentially more pronounced in certain emerging and developing economies. Widely held narratives emphasize the resilience demonstrated by the global economy in recent years, supported by technological advancements, adaptive fiscal measures, and innovation in key sectors. Educational analysis notes that projections assume limited duration and scope for ongoing geopolitical tensions, such as those in the Middle East, which could otherwise amplify downside risks to activity and price stability. Mainstream economic outlooks highlight the importance of agile policymaking that balances support for growth with measures to maintain credibility and fiscal sustainability. From this viewpoint, observers point to several interconnected dynamics shaping the outlook. These include the interplay between energy price volatility and inflationary pressures, the role of supply chain adaptations in mitigating disruptions, and the potential contributions of artificial intelligence and digital technologies to long-term productivity. Historical cycles of economic adjustment illustrate that periods of moderated growth often prompt renewed focus on resilience-building initiatives, such as diversified trade relationships and infrastructure investments. In the current environment of April 2026, discussions within global forums underscore the value of international cooperation to navigate uncertainties. Additional scholarly perspectives explore how high public debt levels in some economies and eroded policy buffers may limit maneuverability, while also noting opportunities arising from targeted investments in sustainable energy and technological infrastructure. Risks are acknowledged as tilted toward the downside, including possibilities of prolonged conflicts, deeper fragmentation, or disappointments in productivity gains. Yet mainstream accounts stress the capacity for adaptation through evidence-based strategies. Collectively, these trends illustrate the complexity of global economic interactions in 2026. While traditional views focus on continuity in rules-based systems and collaborative problem-solving, additional scholarly viewpoints highlight the need for prudent calibration of policies to support inclusive prosperity and stability. Thoughtful examination of the outlook encourages awareness of both challenges and pathways for constructive engagement among nations. In summary, the study of the global economic outlook promotes a balanced assessment of current conditions and future possibilities. Such analysis contributes to greater public understanding of the multifaceted forces influencing prosperity in an interconnected world, fostering informed dialogue on opportunities for sustainable advancement.